Ma'am, you have a complete political background. Your father contributed a lot towards the state, your whole family for that matter. उस वक्त से influence था politics का आप पर, because you went through many transitions. You've been a businesswoman, you have been a doctor. I mean, you're still a doctor. I mean, so how did you go through these transitions?
Yes, I come from a political family, and that is all I have seen. You know, हमारा सोना, उठना, बैठना सब कुछ था. But the interesting part is that I was the most apolitical in my family. And more into, you know, education, sports, carefree. क्योंकि वो जो एक certain norms and certain होते हैं for सियासत के, वो मेरे में नहीं थे. मैं I used to be initially very tomboy and you know easy going and क्योंकि मेरे बाद 2 भाई हैं and उन हम तीनों में बड़ा कम difference है. तो वो एक influence, you know, playing with them. So I was very एक tomboy and carefree and सियासत के उसमें बिल्कुल नहीं थी. But you know the way circumstances were and surprisingly कि जो सारे दूसरे family members और या दूसरे मेरे बहन भाई who are interested in politics आए, दूसरे भाई भी आए हैं सियासत में. But जिस तरह की मुझ पे जिम्मेदारी और वो आ गया, वो I think कि फिर वो चीज़ जो मे भी कहीं हिडन थी, you know, I feel कि मैंने अपने आप को एक डिस्कवर किया जब बीबी ने मुझे टिकट दिया. when things were bad for People's Party and my husband could not come and contest and you know उनकी इतनी मेहनत थी, अपने हल्के में बड़ा काम किया हुआ था. So at that time बीबी said कि you know it has to be somebody from your family, either you know husband or me.
So how did you take this step forward?
And I was like, Bibi, please don't do that. You know, I'm ready to campaign for him, even if he can't come out, you know, and can't do it openly. I'll do his campaigning, but I don't want to sit in the parliament. You know, I can't take that responsibility because I know myself. Ke, if I take any responsibility, then I have to deliver. I have to perform. And so, you know, with that I said, look, then I'll take it very seriously and I can't afford to do that. My bachas are, you know, young and with my husband in hiding, I have to look after the business. There were so many cases and, you know, so, but she insisted. She said, look, I know you can do it. I can see in you. And so, you know.
When you were a student, abhi jaise aapne doctorate.
Let me add to this, you know.
Please go ahead.
I started the election campaign from my date of birth, you know. So I felt that I'm reborn. Yes.
Okay, that's 20th of December, I think?
That's right.
Okay, great. Right. When you were a student, and you said you were a tomboy, so us waqt to you went on and became a doctor, you practiced pediatrics and then gynae as well. So us waqt yehi dream tha ki I'm going to be the best doctor in the world, or bachpan mein kya sochti thi? What did you want?
I'll be very honest कि वो होता है कि कुछ कहते हैं कि बचपन से मुझे नहीं था, you know. Yes, social work और वो तो क्योंकि देखते being my father in politics,
so you were already
I saw that and you know. But then you know education में था, but I was more in sports. You know, I was in my school की netball team, table tennis team, in athletes, in every sport, you know. I used to be in gymnastics and I won several, you know, trophies. फिर हमारे inter-colleges के जो होते थे उसमें our netball team always got a trophy and I was the one who used to play in the center. So the most running जो होती थी and पूरा वो ground का control. तो वो मुझे करना पड़ता था and सारी वो टीम का फिर आ जाता था. So, you know, I missed that, लेकिन ये था. But then my mother always, you know, she said, because she could not become doctor. And she got married and she always wanted to become a doctor and, you know, after inter she got married and she could not continue her education. तो उनको ये हमेशा से था कि, you know, कि now my daughters, and she always believed in कि बेटियों की education उतनी ही होनी चाहिए. And we were brought up like कि कोई बेटे या बेटी का difference नहीं था. And so her focus was, पहले मुझसे बड़ी sister थी उनके लिए, but she was also gold medalist, but she went into home economics and arts का. And so with me, she was adamant कि you have to do medicine. And I used to get very upset कि मुझे क्यों आपने पकड़ लिया है।
अच्छा,
बट
सारा जो वो पीरियड होता है वो बंदा पढ़ने में गुजार देता है।
पढ़ने में गुजारता है, बट आई टुक इट लाइटली कि इजी एक था उसके साथ अपने, क्योंकि लाइक आई सेड कि आई वाज इन स्पोर्ट्स, सो व्हेन आई वाज इन मेडिकल कॉलेज तो वहाँ भी हम ये टेबल टेनिस।
Any horrifying experience of medical college?
Oh
like,
God!
Like when you actually enter the first day and you start cutting things.
Yes. अब उसमें ये था कि हमारे पास यहाँ LMC में ख़ासतौर पर लियाकत मेडिकल कॉलेज से आई डिड माई मेडिसिन, एंड द बिगेस्ट फियर वहाँ पे जाने से पहले, और वो क्रिएट भी किया जाता था, आई फील वाज फूलिंग।
अच्छा।
एंड क्योंकि कॉलेज जो था वो सिर्फ गर्ल्स का था, एंड देन कमिंग इनटू को एजुकेशन, तो फिर ये बताया जाता था कि जी लड़के करते हैं, लड़कियां करती हैं, आपकी बड़ी फूलिंग होती है, एंड इट्स वेरी एम्बैरसिंग एंड दिस एंड दैट, which I saw on the interview day as well. So I was scared to death. You know, that part I said I'm not going to face it. अगर मुझे उसके लिए छोड़ना पड़ा. Anyway, then my husband is my first cousin and he was there. जो मैं उनसे वैसे तो कम बात करती थी, but उस fooling के खौफ से कुछ फिर बातचीत ज़्यादा शुरू हुई है.